Gasoline is 85,000. Right? That's for the year 1. Remember ha, inyong capital is 100,000. And yung total expenses from tools and equipment down to creating your materials to its finished product is 85,000. Now, anong 85,000, namoy ginansya nga, let's say, 60,000. 60,000 pesos. Kunin mo ang earnings. Okay? For year 1. Now, question. Pila naman imong cash on hand karon? Pila naman imong cash on hand? Okay, question. If this is your amount, or given this 3 numbers, figures, pila man imong cash on hand dayon sa year 1? 75? How about the others? Pila man imong cash on hand? Okay, pila imong cash on hand? 75. Because you have remaining 15,000 from the capital. Kaya imong nagasto is 85,000 naman. So, 15,000. Plus, imong earnings for the year 1, 60,000. So, nakay-cash on nga, 60,000. Now, question is, pila man imo ang total asset sa balance sheet? Pila ang total asset naman dahil nimo? If your cash on hand is 75, then how much is your total asset sa inyong balance sheet? Pila man. Diba? Kung balance sheet na niya. Naman ang current assets. So let's say for example, cash on hand, money cash nimo which is 60,000, right? Pila man imong total asset. Pila pa imong total liabilities and owner's equity. So the very basic, pila. Okay. Nanakay cash on handaan nga 75,000. So pila man imo ang total asset then? Remember, imo initial capital is 100,000. Nagasto nimo 85,000. Imong ginansya for the whole year, imong earnings is 60,000. So nakay cash on hand is 75,000 because of the remaining 15 plus the earnings 60 more than 75,000. Now the question is, how much is your total asset then for the year, let's say, 2023. For the year 2023. Okay. Kung kana lang ang mga amount o figures, pila mo total asset? Pila? 100, 160? Nga ng 160 man? Nagsulti sila nga 160 daw. Kaya nga no? Tapos, o pa 75 na may naadriya. So, sa pila man ito inugang diriya. 75 naman siya. So, pila man ito inugang, para 160 siya. Again, nanatay 75,000 lang yung cash. So, pila man ito idugang para mahimo siyang 160? 85,000. Kung sa 85,000 mo, this is your what? Nagasto na, di ba? From tools and equipment up to down para maka-finish ka o nakakait ka finished product. Di ba? So, this is your still current assets. Mga assets yan kunin mo na. So, plus 85,000, that's a total of 160,000. Now, for the total liabilities and equity, okay. Pila itong liability? So, if total assets 160, so it means to say that ang total assets and owner's equity should still be 160. Kaya dapat mabalance na siya, di ba? Dapat. Now, pila man ang ato ang liability? Nabat tayo liability? Gusto kinang liability? Bayronon. Bayronon, utang. O nabat tayo utang? Nabat tayo bayronon? O nabat tayo utang? Kana mismo. Nabat tayo utang? Yes or no? Sige, from this scenario, kana, gabi-gabi wala. Ano wala man tayo utang? Kay? Lagi, ano wala man tayo utang? Kung na rin sobra 15 mil, does that mean wala tayo utang? Kung na 15 mil na sobra? Ano man tayo utang? Kaya naman tayo sobra 15 mil, sir. Kung na rin tayo sobra 15 mil, so di nahanap, so di magpasagot. Sige ba yun yung 100, sir? Dapat tayo utang? Yes, wala tayo utang.